Okay, class, good day. So as you can see, naata diri sa ato ang open area diri sa CAF. Para makabalo pa mo hadapito ang CAF. Okay, we will gonna be doing one of your laboratory exercise for surveying. So you call that one as the phase factor. Usually, surveying involves a lot of measurement from points A to B. And there are so many equipment that you can use for you to be able to get the data that you need. But somehow we go to the most basic part. So let's take for example, you do not have any access to any measuring equipment. So one thing that you can do for you to be able to still go on with your activity of measuring distances from point A to point B is that you can just simply use your own pace. So ang imuha lang lakang. Actually, we had been doing some crude method, di ba? So diretso lang ta lakang-lakang, and then we assume that it is actually 1 meter per every pace that we do. But somehow, a more good method that you can do is that you calibrate first your pacing. I-calibrate mo na ang inyong pacing so that you might be able to get the distances mas accurate siya, mas okay siya as to compared to just simply estimating that your one pace is equivalent to 1 meter. Basic equipment that you're going to use for this exercise, you need to have measuring device. First, of course, nakakamanta sa calibration, so we need this one later on. And you also need, of course, something to jot down the data that we get here on field. And of course, some pens, some chalk that we can use. And then we can also have straw. Okay, pwede gapon magamit. Okay, so what is the purpose na atay straw? Okay, for guide, para straight. Dapat dili mo maghiwi-hiwi if you're going to do this one. And also, in the absence of this, of course, not everyone can have this measuring device for the ano. So this is a sorbet tape. So ang pwede ninyo buhaton, mangula mo sa inyong mama o kanang medidas, di ba? Kanang mitrosan gamit sa pantahe. And then what you're going to do is that usually 1 meter naman na siya. So using your straw, assuming this is the 1 meter here, right? Okay, 1891. 1 meter. Then you put some mark or pwede nyo hiktan. And then another one here. Hangtod nga paabot mo og 50 meter. So ang atong i-establish nga line karon is 50 meter. All right? Okay, if naana ta ready na ang inyong mga gamit, you need to establish it should be plain the area as much as possible. Okay, mark. Okay, the area as much as possible dapat kini siya plain, and you can establish a straight line. Otherwise it will add up to the number of pacing, or it can influence the number of pacing that you might incur from going from point A to B. Alright, first step that you're going to do is that you need to establish a 50 meter line from point A to B. You can use you can use chalk, and you have marking here. This is your point A, and then from here, all right. Mark. I think I did it here. Is you need to have 6 trials of walking from point A to point B and vice versa from point B to point A. So using your paper or anything that you can write on. You can have AB. Pwede tayo magsulat. A, B, B, A, A, B, B, A, A, B, B, A. And then later on, we will have our data here. Kung pila kalakang ang inyuhang imo. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Starting from here. So, what you need to do is that you need to have a normal pacing. Dili pwede nga mag-ana mo. Alright? So, it needs to be a normal pacing that you're going to do. Like murag wala lang. Dili po na murag ana ra po kayo. So, it's something to be normal sa imuha. So, as much as possible, your feet should be flat. Dili mag high heels. It can influence the number of pacing that you can do from one point to another. And then, dapat itong ingon na to. Dapat straight ang linya and then patag ang inyong lakwat. So, okay. We'll do our first trial. Okay, starting from 1, 2, 3. Okay, counting. I am done with my first attempt of pacing from point A to B. I have 65 pace incurred from point A to B. So the next thing that you're going to do is again from B to A. Trial na po ka, lakaw na po ka. Okay, 1. I have 66 paces. Alright, and you continue that one until you can reach up to 6 trials.